Chaos isn't just what happens to you, it's what happens inside you. That noise, that overwhelm, that feeling of being pulled in 10 directions. It's the modern world's default setting. And it's breeding ground for regret, anxiety, and weakness. But 2,000 years ago, the Stoics faced a world just as brutal. Empire, plagues, political betrayal, exile. Their survival tool wasn't a weapon. It was a system, a discipline of the mind so potent it could turn the chaos of a collapsing world into an unshakable inner citadel. They didn't just endure chaos, they used it as fuel, as the anvil to forge a will that could not be broken. This isn't about cute quotes. This is about operating systems for your life. Today, you will get 7 of them. 7 Stoic systems engineered for the modern mind to transform your disorder into structure, your reactivity into response, and your potential into power. We are not here to read philosophy. We are here to install it, to train your mind, to conquer yourself. Welcome to the Forge. The core principle: discipline as freedom. Before we dive into the systems, we need to reframe the enemy: discipline. Most see discipline as a cage, a list of rigid rules, a joyless grind. The Stoics saw it differently. For them, discipline was the ultimate form of freedom. Think of it this way: a ship in a storm. Chaos is the wind and the waves. Without discipline, without a skilled captain, a strong rudder, a system of sails, that ship is a prisoner to the storm. It is reacting. But with that system, with that discipline, the ship can now use the storm. It can chart a course through it. The chaos is still there, but the ship is no longer its slave. It is free to navigate. Your mind is that ship. These 7 systems are your rudder, your sails, your navigation charts. We begin with the system that starts your day not as a victim, but as a strategist.
The 7 Stoic systems. 1. The Premeditatio Malorum, the chaos pre-game. This is the system of premeditated adversity. Instead of being ambushed by the day's disorder, you visualize potential failures and frustrations before they happen. You mentally walk through crowded commutes, difficult conversations, and interrupted plans. By seeing these challenges in your mind's eye and rehearsing a calm, principled response, you disarm anxiety. You transform the unknown from a source of fear into a field of preparation. This is not pessimism. It is strategic stress inoculation, downloading the mental software patches before the chaos virus can crash your system. 2. The Dichotomy of Control, the ultimate triage. This is the master filter for every storm. Its core command is to instantly categorize all events into 2 columns: what is within your power, your judgments, actions, and responses, and what is not, the opinions of others, past events, external outcomes. When chaos strikes, your discipline is to perform this ruthless triage. For what you cannot control, your task is serene release. For what you can control, your task is total, focused ownership. This system stops the energy leaks of worry and redirects 100% of your power to your next right action. 3. The Minimalism of Attention. the information diet. Chaos is not only external, it is the data stream you allow into your mind. This system demands you curate your attention with the severity of a Spartan selecting his shield. You must audit every input, news, social media, gossip, and ask, does this inform my mission or inflame my passions? Does it build my inner citadel or provide weapons to my anxieties? Discipline here is surgical removal. You create clarity not by adding more productivity tricks, but by ruthlessly eliminating the sources of your distraction and emotional reactivity. 4. The evening audit, the day's debrief. Discipline is forged in reflection. This system is a daily council of war with yourself. At day's end, you ask 3 questions. Where did I act with virtue and discipline? Where did I let chaos dictate my reactions? What specific better action will I take tomorrow? This is not self-punishment. It is cold, tactical analysis. It closes the loop on experience, transforming every chaotic event, every moment of weakness or strength, into permanent data for your growth. It ensures no day is wasted.
5. Voluntary hardship, the discipline gym. You do not wait for chaos to test your limits. You proactively seek them. This system involves integrating small, voluntary discomforts into your life: the cold shower, the skipped meal, the harder task chosen first. The goal is to prove a fundamental truth to your nervous system, that your comfort does not rule you. Each act is a repetition in the gym of your will, building discipline muscle memory. When real chaos strikes, your response is not panic, but the familiar thought, "This is just another rep. I am trained for this." 6. The view from above, the cosmic context. In the thick of overwhelm, this system triggers a drastic zoom out. You pull your perspective back, from the room, to the city, to the continent, to the pale blue dot in the void of space. You see your life as a brief, small moment in the vast span of time. This instantaneously dissolves melodrama and self-importance. It restores proportion to your problems. Against the backdrop of cosmic silence and aeons of time, the question becomes clear. Does this truly warrant my fear, or can it be met with my disciplined resolve? 7. Memento mori, the ultimate deadline. This is the foundational system. Remembering that you must die is not morbid. It is the ultimate clarifier and motivator. The awareness that your time is a finite, non-renewable resource forces a brutal prioritization. It asks, is this petty annoyance, this procrastination, this indulgence in chaos worthy of my precious and limited life force? Memento mori makes discipline an act of reverence for your own existence. It installs the ultimate deadline against which all trivialities evaporate and only essential, purposeful action remains. The forge is open, but the metal must be brought to it. Your first disciplined action is this. In the comments, commit to one of these 7 systems you will implement tomorrow. Name it. The brotherhood and sisterhood of Spartans here will see it. That is your first act of accountability. If this training provided value, weaponize that value. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Not for me, but for your own ranks. Each video from this channel is another tool for your arsenal, another session in the mental gym. And share it with one person you know who is ready to trade chaos for control. You have the systems. The theory is nothing without practice. The practice is everything. Now go, train your mind, conquer yourself.